Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a tomato head from Fortnite. If you love Fortnite, please make sure to check out my playlist for all the Fortnite characters I've drawn so far, and also the Fortnite logo. I definitely plan to draw more, so please let me know in the comments below what other Fortnite characters you would like me to draw. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your paper, and let's get started. To draw Tomato Head, we're going to first start by drawing his mustache. So right here, I'm just going to start with a small straight line down. This is going to be right in the middle for his mustache. And from here, I'm just going to go up on both sides. So this is the top of his mustache. And from here, I'm going to come down over here and start to build our mustache. So then from here, we're going to start to curve it down and out. And right here, I'm just going to round it off a little bit here and bring it back in. So same thing on this side. Come down, round it off right here on the edge, and bring it back in. It's like two little peppers. And connect back. There, so we have his mustache in. And then from there, we're going to come to the center right here and draw a curve for his mouth. And then let's see here, let's come down right here where his mustache is, and we're just going to draw a curve to connect the bottom. So about right here and here. I'm just going to draw a curve all the way down and connect back up. And then let's come in here, just draw a straight line for his teeth on both sides and a curved line right in the center for his teeth. And then just shade this part in black, just so you can see a little bit better what's going on. And right here, we're going to finish off his mouth. So it's pretty wide. So right here, where his mustache is, we're just going to continue this curve out a little bit more and tuck it back in. And smooth everything out. And then right here, just shade this part in as well, black. So we're going to do the same thing here. Just continue this curve out, round it off, and bring it back in. And shade it in. There, hope that makes more sense. Now we're going to come on top right here, and we're going to draw two circles for his eyes. So about right here, just draw a circle. And same thing on this side. So about right here. And then let's go inside, we're going to draw another circle. Same thing over here. Okay, so then I'm just going to add a little circle right here for highlight and then shade the rest in black. Same thing over here. There. Now let's come on top right here and we're going to draw his eyebrows. So we're going to slant them down. So about right here. Slant down a curve, come up and connect to thicken it. And same thing here. Slant down over his eye. Little straight line and connect it. So now his eyes and his mouth are all in, we're going to draw his face. So it's just basically a really big oval. So to make it easier, just come to the side right here for his mustaches. And we're just going to start, let's start with the top. I'm going to go up. So let's come to the other side, about right here. So I'm drawing kind of big, so I'm just going to slowly build my curve. But if you're drawing small, just draw one big curve across. So slowly build my curve and all the way to the top and connect. There. So now for the bottom, we're going to draw another curve, same thing, but we're going to be close to the mouth right here for our curve. So we're just going to continue bring this down, following our mouth, and connect it. So close to where the mouth is. And connect. So then let's come up here. We're going to draw the stem for the tomato. So right in the center, just draw a curve, little top, and another curve. And then the leaves. So we're just going to come up and down, flare it out, and bring it right back in. So same thing on this side. Out and in. From there, now that his head's done, let's draw his body. So let's come right to the center, and we're just going to draw a small curve right under his head. And then let's see here. We're going to come to the side, and we're just going to start to build his chest area. So just two slight curves, and let's bring it down a little bit more. And before we finish that part, let's come back up here, and we're just going to draw his collar. So two angle lines and curve it back up, and same thing over here. And then you can add a little detail if you want for his shirt, just another curve right there. And then let's see here, let's start to build his top. So about right there, I'll stop and I'll connect it. And I'm going to start coming down a little bit more. So we're going to build his waist area now. And about right there, I'll stop once again, and we're going to connect it. And I'm going to come in here and draw another curve. So this is his belt area. And then come down a tiny bit, and I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. So this is going to start of his legs. Bring this down more. And right here, two angle lines. And bring this down. Okay, so now before we draw all the little details, let's draw his hands. So now that we know where his hips are, we can better gauge where his hands are going to end up. So let's come right here. We're going to draw a curve down for his arm. And just say his armpit's about right here. So start another curve right there. And just curve it down, nice and simple, nothing too complicated. We're just going to bring a curve down to about right there and connect it. And then let's draw his fingers. So come out and pop out a curve for a thumb. And then right here, we're going to come out with a slight angle and then curve down more and bring it back in. So let's come in here. Since we're at the hands, I'm just going to draw a curve right here and another one on his thumb for the indication of the gloves that he's wearing. And let's draw the same thing on the other side. So right here, just give yourself a point. That's where the arm's going to be. So we're just going to draw a curve once again, coming down. So I'm just going to give myself a point. I'm just going to drag, say about right here, so I know where it should end on the other side approximately. About right there, and then connect. So then once again, it's the same hand, just a curve for the fingers. And right here, come out with a slight angle, bring it in, and curve back up. And a little curve here and here. So now let's go in and build finish up his legs. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. So totally simplifying this so it's a lot easier to draw. So say about right there, I'll That's long enough. I'll stop about right there. Bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so this line is longer because we still need to draw a foot here that comes back in. So about right here, I'm just gonna pop out a curve that comes out. Then bring it in. And angle it back to this point. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. Curve it out. And same thing, angle and connect it. There. Okay, so now to work on the little details. Let's start with the shirt. We're gonna draw a little slice of pizza. Definitely have to have a slice of pizza. So right here, we're just gonna draw a triangle. A little slice of pizza, connect it. Then the crust part that comes out. Maybe some pepperoni. So some curves. And then there's 3 main stripes. So I'll come to the center first. So coming down. And I'll just add 2 more on this side. So 1 over here. Just drawing the main detail so it's not too complicated. So now for the belt, for the top one, make this wider. Then add a little detail in here. And some loops, so bigger loops. And then the bottom one is a smaller buckle. And maybe just add smaller loops. There. Little detail right there. Okay, so now for the arms. Let's start with the first band. So there's a little band right here. You can pop it out if you want on the sides. And then there's the signature Fortnite band on this arm, so about right here. Pop out another band. And then some details right here. Just draw kind of like a triangle. And another box inside. And this side, it's just another band right here. And I think that's the main detail for that arm. Okay, so now the legs. So I'm just gonna draw a center line. And let's see, let's work on the boots first. So, see about right here, I'm just gonna pop out that plate, the shin guard, knee guard, and I'm just gonna angle a line down and just connect it right here. And I'm just gonna pop this out. And right here, I'll add a line for where his boot would end. And I'm gonna come in here and put a strap. And I'll just color that in so you can see it a little bit better, black. And some detail right here, the sole of the boot. And there's 2 bands right here as well. So 2, 1, and another one. And I'll just color that in black as well also. Okay, so now this side. So I'm gonna do the same thing. So about right here, I'm gonna draw the same plate. Pop it out a tiny bit. And right here, I think there's a strap that just kind of goes like this. So I'm just gonna shade this part in. Add the soles of my boot. And just a small detail right here, if you want, you can add a little patch. So I'm just gonna draw a square at an angle and then some stitch marks. So just 2 lines on each side. So there, hope you guys love my version of this silly tomato head from Fortnite. Some of you have asked if I play Fortnite, and I will admit I don't play Fortnite, and the reason is because I am just terrible at playing games. I have no hand-eye coordination when it comes to video games, so I'll just stick with drawing. But I definitely love watching it. It's really fun, and the characters in the game are really pretty cool. So I definitely plan to draw more for you, and hopefully you guys will look forward to it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.